In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to your Squarespace site. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to track their website's analytics and gain invaluable insights into their audience. So, let's jump right into the steps to get this set up effectively. First things first, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This acts as your control center for everything you need to customize and manage your site. Now, once you're there, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. It's like a compass, guiding you to the exact settings and pages you need without having to scroll through countless options. Next up, type in the word marketing into that search bar. Doing so will lead you directly to the marketing section, which houses all sorts of tools that are pivotal for enhancing your site's outreach and performance. Now look for the option that says Meta Pixel and Ads and click on it. This is the key destination where we get to connect your Facebook pixel with your Squarespace site. This integration allows you to monitor site traffic coming from your Facebook ads, which is crucial for assessing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Once you're in the Meta Pixel and Ads section, there's an input field waiting for your Facebook Pixel ID. This ID is uniquely generated by Facebook and serves as a bridge between your site data and your Facebook ad account. So make sure you have your Pixel ID handy. If you're unsure where to find this, you can retrieve it from your Facebook Ads Manager under the Events Manager section. After you've carefully typed your Facebook Pixel ID into the designated field, double-check that it's correctly inputted. An incorrect ID could mean missing out on crucial data that helps you optimize your ads and site performance. Having verified your ID, the next step is simple but vital. Click the Save button. This action ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Squarespace will now recognize your Facebook Pixel ID, and you should start seeing data streaming into your Facebook ad account as visitors interact with your site. Adding a Facebook pixel to your Squarespace website isn't just a technical step. It's a strategic move to understand your audience better and fine-tune your marketing efforts. Remember, accurate data is the backbone of successful online marketing. And that's it. You've now set up your Facebook pixel on Squarespace. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making data-driven decisions that can boost your business and maximize your site's potential. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful guides. Happy tracking!